Good afternoon. It's Campbell Moore, Harcourts Coastal in the sunny Gold Coast, and it is sunny today after a few cold days as well. Just giving you a bit of a summation of what's happened in the market here since the coronavirus has started to affect the world and Australia, probably mid-end of March, etc. And it was interesting actually because there was a bit of a hiatus in real estate for 2 or 3 weeks. It was a hiatus in the world, to be quite honest, with people a bit scared, a bit weird, what to do, what not to do. But no, then it seemed to level out, and I was totally gobsmacked and stunned. And in April, we did 55 sales in our office, which is a really, really good number, probably down 25% in number. But what was interesting, the demand per property was still really strong. So the prices probably dropped back, between 2 and 5% over that period of time. But everything was selling, and even properties that weren't previously selling were selling, only because the supply was starting to diminish and the demand per property was really, really solid with people pre-approving. So that has still been occurring at the moment. There has been a decrease in supply, probably about 45% less than there was previously. That will keep the prices up, etc. But if the banks keep putting a bit of pressure on, which they will do over a period of time, I think we'll tend to find the supply will increase significantly, and maybe that demand per property may diminish slightly. So if you're going to sell, my advice is to sell now. Holiday letting up in the Gold Coast here, it's just almost disappeared. We're probably there's probably about 75-80% of all holiday lets are now vacant, been sitting there for a vacant, not necessarily, most probably not covered by landlord insurance. And my advice to any landlord out there, just throw those holiday lettings into permanent rental, so at least you get cash flow going right for some period of time. Lock it in for 6, 12 months or whatever you may do, but at least it's locked away with cash flow coming in. Or sell the property. In the back of your mind, you're contemplating selling in the next 6 or 12 months. My strong advice is to sell now, because you may well find it is worth more, maybe significantly more, depending on the type of property now, than it will be in the next 12 months, 18 months, depending what happens. But it is ever changing. No one ever knows. I've done this for a long time. I've seen every high and low in real estate, etc. If I can help you at least on advisory capacity or whatever, want to have a little bit of chat confidentially in regard to your situation and say what's best for me, just give us a call on 0414 333 722, and I'll give you the best real estate advice I possibly can. Otherwise, all the best. Enjoy the rest of the weekend.